How to focus on your goals. Eliminate distractions. Make a practice to block time in your schedule to do a specific task or activity. Shutting off both internal and external disturbances can help you to concentrate. Reduce multitasking. Attempting to perform multiple activities at the same time makes us feel productive. It's also a recipe for lower focus, poor concentration, and minimum productivity. Get more sleep. Many factors affect your sleep. A good laugh and a long sleep are the best cures in the doctor's book. Irish proverb: choose to focus on the moment. Do not overthink the past. Do not overthink the future. Train your mind to be present at the moment. Exercise. It is one of the most effective yet simple habits that can turn your life around. Exercise doesn't mean you need not go to the gym and deadlift 250 pounds. You just have to find what is right for you, like jogging, swimming, cycling, or any other thing, and do it. Eat well. Choose foods like fruits and vegetables that maintain blood sugar level, fuel the brain, maintain energy. Set a daily priority. Write down what you want to accomplish each day, ideally the night before, and identify a single priority that you commit to accomplishing. This will help focus your brain on what matters, tackling the big jobs first and leaving the small stuff till later. Create space for work. Calm and dedicated. Neat and clean. Ventilated. Comfortable. Use a timer. Set yourself up with a timer for 60 minutes to work solely on only one task. Remember, goals are dreams with deadlines. Bring honest consistency about 9 points in your life to stay focused on your goals.